Amazon Prime Day 2026 runs June 23rd to 26th. 4 days this year for the first time. Early deals are already live and some are hitting their lowest prices ever before the event even starts. These 5 are the picks worth grabbing right now before they sell out or price back up. Subscribe. Let's get into it. The OWKAR is the compact food preservation upgrade that replaces the countertop vacuum sealer for most households. One button, one press. Vacuuming starts automatically and stops when the seal is complete, with a detachable water filter tank that handles both wet and dry foods without overflow. A USB-C rechargeable battery seals over 100 bags per charge. 32 reusable BPA-free vacuum bags in multiple sizes are included, and the entire device weighs 2 pounds and stores in a kitchen drawer. Reviewers confirm it extends food freshness by up to 6 times, compared to standard Ziploc storage, and eliminates the counter space commitment of full-size vacuum sealers. For meal preppers, campers, and anyone who wants professional-grade food sealing in a portable, cordless format, the OWKAR is the practical Prime Day kitchen pickup. Links are in the description. Go check it out. The TORVO TD3 records 4K at the front and 2K at the rear, captures license plates at distance, includes GPS for trip logging and location data, and connects to the VidWar app via 5G Wi-Fi for instant footage review on your phone. The 170-degree wide-angle lens covers adjacent lanes without fisheye distortion. Parking mode records when the car is off, and a 64GB memory card is included in the box. Reviewers consistently call it the smartest value dual dash cam available at the price. GPS, 4K, app integration, and an included card in one package under $100. If you're shopping for a dash cam before or during Prime Day, the TD3 is the pick that covers every feature most drivers actually need without hidden extras. With early Prime Day pricing already live on some dash cams, this is worth grabbing now before stock tightens. The TORVO Mini Wireless CarPlay adapter is the plug-and-play upgrade for any car with a wired CarPlay port. It converts your factory wired CarPlay connection to fully wireless in under 30 seconds with no app, no Bluetooth pairing menu, and no user manual needed. Plug it into the USB-A port, connect once via the initial pairing screen, and from that point, your iPhone connects automatically every time you start the car. The compact form factor hides behind the dash neatly. 5 GHz Wi-Fi delivers lag-free wireless audio, maps, and notification mirroring identical to the wired experience. And if this kind of early Prime Day deal breakdown is what you want every year, subscribe right now. We cover the best deals before, during, and after Prime Day every single week. For any iPhone user with a factory wired CarPlay system who wants to eliminate the cable, the TORVO Mini is consistently one of the top reviewed wireless CarPlay adapters at this price, and one of the most practical car upgrades available during Prime Day deals. The cordless electric grill brush is the grill cleaning upgrade that makes the job take 60 seconds instead of 10 minutes. The oscillating head drives stiff bristles across grill grates automatically without the manual scrubbing that makes traditional wire brushes slow and exhausting. Cordless and rechargeable via USB, it works on gas, charcoal, and pellet grill grates. Prime Day is one of the most reliable windows to catch grill accessories at significant discounts. And with grilling season running through the summer, buying before the sale ends means having it ready for every cookout through September. For anyone who grills regularly and still manually scrubs their grates with a standard brush, this is the practical summer upgrade that pays for itself in time saved at the first use. Closing with the home security pick. The Ring Outdoor Cam Wired. Ring's weather-resistant 1080 PHD wired outdoor camera with color night vision, live view, two-way talk, customizable motion zones, and Alexa integration. Wired installation means no battery to replace and no gaps in recording coverage. The 140-degree field of view covers a wide outdoor area, and Ring's app handles live monitoring and motion alert delivery across iOS and Android. Ring consistently drops to its lowest prices of the year during Prime Day. Safe-wise. Confirmed, Ring cameras are among the most reliably discounted categories across Prime Day events. Ring Protect subscription required for recorded event history. Live view, two-way talk, and real-time motion alerts are available without a plan. For homeowners who want reliable wired outdoor coverage from a household brand at Prime Day pricing, the Ring Outdoor Cam is the practical home security deal to grab during the sale window. All the links for every product are in the description below. Those are your 5 early Amazon Prime Day 2026 picks. A handheld vacuum sealer that stores in a drawer, a 4K dual dash cam with GPS and an included card, a plug-and-play wireless CarPlay adapter, a cordless electric grill brush for summer grilling season, and Ring's most reliably discounted outdoor wired camera. Prime Day runs June 23rd to 26th this year. Early deals are live now and some won't last. Every link is in the description. Subscribe and come back for our full Prime Day coverage on June 23rd. See you there.